Okay, grade 2, now it's time to get to work. So you need to have your journal and a pencil, and I'm going to have you write along with me, okay? So the first thing we're going to put at the top of our journal is title. And if I go too fast, you know, you can pause me. T-I-T-L-E. I'm going to put 2 little dots. So what was the title of the story? It was Elmer. So you're going to print Elmer. That's a nice, short, simple title. Elmer. There you go. All right, now we're going to think about the beginning of the story. So you're going to write the word beginning. Okay. Now remember, it's kind of like our recipe, our hamburger. What happens at the beginning of the story? The first thing you have is characters. So I want you to write the word characters. Who were the characters in the Elmer story? Okay. All right. Now, when we're done the video, you're going to write the characters in the story. So we'll leave a little bit of space. So why don't you leave yourself a couple of lines, come down towards the bottom. The next thing that is in the beginning of the story is the setting. Where did the story take place? Okay. And then you're going to tell me the setting. And then on the bottom line, you're going to print problem. Okay. And then beside that, I want you to tell me what the problem is. So that is the beginning of the story. Once you have that printed down, let's turn the page over. Okay. And at the top of this page, you're going to write middle. M-I-D-D-L-E. So in the middle of the story, you know what it is. You have the events. To solve the problem. What did Elmer do to solve his problem? Okay, and you can write down as many things as you can remember. So you can use this whole page. We'll flip over one more time. Last part of our story is the end. Okay. And at the end, it's what? How the problem was solved. I want you to tell me how the problem was solved. Okay? And if you just want to write end, you don't have to write this part. This is just to remind you how the problem was solved. And if you want to get even fancier, you can tell me how the characters feel at the end of the story. Okay? All right, grade 2, you are on your own. And then when you're done, I'd love to see a picture. Oh, and if you want to, you could also draw a picture of Elmer. I think that would make a really cool picture. All right, send me a picture when you're done.